Okay, and if you're going to use the PDF report, or maybe you just got the PDF report by itself, these are both the same information in here, they're just two different formats. But with the PDF report, you want to do the same thing. Usually it's going to be zipped like this one is here. And so what you're going to want to do is just drag that off and put it right on your desktop there. Again, it's going to be a large file, so it's going to take a long time to copy off of your thumb drive to your desktop. But whichever program that you're going to use, you're going to make sure that you copy them off to your computer and that they're not in another folder that may be syncing with the cloud or anything like that. You don't want any other things going on your PC when you're trying to work with these things there. And so after you copy those off and they're done completely copying off there, you can close that, you can disconnect your thumb drive, and then you can start to open the documents. Right now I want to show you how to handle a PDF report if you get the same information in a PDF format. So remember, we've first have dragged this file off to our desktop. So you make sure it's dragged off there. It's a large file. It is approximately 57.7 gigabytes. And so before we open this report, what we want to do is we want to unzip it, okay? And so we double click on the folder and give it a few minutes for this to process and for you to be able to see what's inside the folder here. So zip files are compressed, and it just makes it easier to store these or copy them to thumb drives or to the cloud or things like that, but they're just compressed data. Okay, so we can see after a minute or so, you can now see the PDF folder inside the zip folder that we've just opened here. So what we want to do is we're going to drag this off onto your desktop. So we're taking it out of the zip folder and we're putting it on the desktop. Now it's going to take a little bit to do that. It's got to copy a lot of data over there, but you want to do this before you try to open and load this PDF. You want to unzip it. Okay, so after quite a few minutes, we've copied or we've unzipped the PDF, and now we have it out on its own. And this is where you'll want to work with it here. So when you open it up, you can navigate inside, and then there's the PDF. So I'll show you how to open that and how to use all these different files and things like that on the next video, but just want to show you the proper way to get ready to open this thing.